In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So actually it's super quick and easy operation. All you need to do is to tap on power button right here and hold it until your device is restarted. Just keep tapping, and that's it. Now we can leave the button. And as you can see, the device has been restarted, and this is the soft reset as we name it, because if your device is freezed or something, it will definitely help you to wake it up. So that will be all. This can perform a soft reset. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.